Sweet potatoes are nutritious, delicious, and easy to grow in a raised garden. We'll show you how in just a few easy steps. Here's what you need to get started. Sweet potatoes grow well in the heat. Plan to plant them in late spring, so they'll be ready to harvest by midsummer. Next, you'll want to do a little prep work. Choose a sunny planting bed and be sure to remove all weeds with a spading fork. Look for young plants with healthy green leaves. To condition your soil and keep it healthy, add 2 inches of compost, along with an organic or time-released fertilizer. Now you're ready to plant. Sweet potato vines need plenty of room to grow. Make sure there are 18 inches of space between each plant, and leave 3 feet between each row. Dig your holes deeper and larger than the plant root. Pour a quart of water into each hole. Place the plant in the hole, then refill it with soil so that only the top few leaves are showing. When you're finished, saturate the bed with water. You can expect your sweet potatoes to grow rapidly after about 2 weeks. 3 weeks after planting, carefully remove weeds. Apply additional mulch to suppress weeds and retain moisture. If the weather is hot and dry, water them weekly. Sweet potatoes are ready for harvest when their leaves and the ends of their vines turn yellow. They don't attract many insects and they store well, so you can enjoy them throughout the winter. Make your garden a yummy oasis with freshly grown sweet potatoes. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.